How to use the words plain and plain correctly. These words are homophones. Again, homophones are words having the same pronunciation but have different spellings and meanings. There are many meanings associated with these words, but the most confusing part is that both of them have a meaning related to being flat. Let's start with the word plain, which spells P-L-A-I-N. This word could mean two things, an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, it means simple or not elaborate. Examples: I just want a plain toast. She is such a plain girl. Please wear a plain white shirt tomorrow. As a noun, it means a flat and usually treeless area. Examples: our ancestors settled on this plain hundreds of years ago. The story happened in the South African plain. We had been living in the plain for many years now. The second word is plain, which has the spelling of P-L-A-N-E. Like the first word, plain with this spelling could also mean two things, a noun and a verb. As a noun, it has several meanings. First, it means an airplane. Examples: I need to hurry. The plane wouldn't wait for me. I was about to board the plane when my chest started to hurt. Second, it means a tool for smoothing or shaping wood. Examples: can you hand me the plane? His father's plane is what caused the accident. The third also means a flat surface, just like the first one, but this time it is involved in mathematics. Examples: two planes always intersect in a line. A coordinate plane is an important tool for doing equations. Plain could also be a verb. It means to make even or smooth. Examples: please plane the table's edges. Can you plane this out for me? Here's a table to help you understand. These two words are homophones, so they are pronounced the same, plain. However, they have different meanings. Plain, which is spelled P-L-A-I-N, could be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, it means simple or not elaborate. As a noun, it means a flat and usually treeless area. Plain, however, which is spelled P-L-A-N-E, could be a noun or a verb. As a noun, it has three meanings. It could be an airplane, a tool for smoothing or shaping wood, and a flat surface in mathematics. And lastly, as a verb, it means to make even or smooth. For our exercise, fill the blanks with the correct words. She was wearing a blank black dress. The correct answer is plain, which is spelled P-L-A-I-N. She was wearing a plain black dress. What is the meaning of the word plain in this sentence? It means simple. The second one, I think nobody likes math, especially the X and Y blank. The correct answer is plain, which is spelled P-L-A-N-E. I think nobody likes math, especially the x and y plane. Plane in this sentence means a flat surface in mathematics. The third one, Mr. Carpenter, can you please get your blank and blank this wooden chair for me? The correct answers are plane and plane, which are both spelled P-L-A-N-E. Mr. Carpenter, can you please get your plane and plane this wooden chair for me? The first answer means correct answer is a tool for smoothing or shaping wood. How about the second one? Well, it means to make even or smooth. The fourth one, my family lived a blank but happy life in the southern blank before we moved to the city. The correct answers are plane and plane, which are both spelled P-L-A-I-N. What is the meaning of plane in the first blank? It is simple or not elaborate. How about in the second one? It means a flat and usually treeless area. The last one, my blank leaves at 8 p.m. I think I still have time to make my kids a blank chocolate cake. The correct answers are plane, which is spelled P-L-A-N-E, and plane, which is spelled P-L-A-I-N. What is the meaning of plane in the first blank? It is an airplane. How about in the second blank? It is simple or not elaborate. Did you get them right?